Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you the full walkthrough process of this artwork. Yeah, I know it's funny, but I also wanted to create an artwork where it looked like the animals are coming through the TV, like it is some kind of a portal or something. So, before we start the video, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description. Also, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and do make sure to click on the bell icon to stay notified for the upcoming videos. So, enough of this chit chat. Let's start the video. So for this one, you can download an TV image and the animal image of your liking through Chrome or free sites like Unsplash, Pixabay and others. After you download it, place it into your document. Now let's start with background first. So here I use solid color layer for my background. I wanted the background to be plain, so I use a solid. If you want something else, you are free to experiment.
You made me feel sweet, and if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me?
After that, I placed my TV and quickly masked it out with the help of object selection tool. So, since our animal, or in my case the giraffe's head, is coming through the TV, so I wanted to clear the screen of the TV. For that, I selected the hard round brush with 100% flow and opacity and start erasing the screen out.
Time, wasting it away. Your love is like music. You went and changed the game.
Now I added the giraffe's photo, and now I place it the way that it looked like it coming out through TV. And now I lower the opacity and then erase the unwanted part, just like we did with the TV.
Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you, wait to see you go. This time we just go slow. Will truly dim my heart, but it's only time.
Here I also wanted to create a light source coming from the left side. For that, I used the gradient tool and also the brush to give it the sense of light coming from the left side. It depends on how you want the light source, and also, you can use any method yourself that gets the job done for you.
I guess you need the lows to know when you're up.
It's obvious that the giraffe will be in a forest or a jungle, or rather, you can say I assume that. So, now I download the green forest image from the Unsplash and place it behind the screen area. Here I also erase the unwanted part like we did before. Also, I use the refine edge on the hairs of the giraffe so that it looked decent. Later I just use a solid and painted a screen. And now, the rest of the video will be in a speed art form. If I have to tell you in short, I just added the glows, highlights, shadows, and also color match it with help of color balance and levels. It's just some basic stuffs which you guys already know. So that's it, people. I will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the rest. Bye.
asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. My soul might touch the ground. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down and when I feel I've drowned, I need someone to hold how I feel. I can show you, baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side. When I fall asleep, I need you with me by my side.